I need 175. Keep my little fake money on. I need 175 for my events. I'm trying to get the lottery store for free. But I need 175 for my event though. Y'all can all sit in. I might take it on that how I use it for outside events. I just might. We're gonna try lottery first.
I'm glad to see you too.
Girl, my job is bag. Shut up. My job is bagging, honey.
Oh, this way, ma'am. Thank you so much, okay? That way you don't clash with people. Thanks. That do sound correct, though. That makes sense. That's what you're saying. Right.
Yeah, no, not hot, eh?
Kind of got to do it with a Boyer hospital at the garage.
I'm gonna try a lottery. Check it out. I need 175 of my event today. Y'all all sit in. Oh, yeah, we're gonna try this. Oh, damn, sweetie. I think I should try that lottery stuff. Oh, I think I should try this. I need $175. Cause honey, I need 175. So honey, I'm gonna try to do the lottery store. I think I turned it to some big money. The lottery store. I hope they take this fake shit. I'm gonna try to do this, honey. An event. Can you help me out? I'm trying to make it. Hell no. We're gonna try to buy stuff. So this, if the bitch take it. Oh, we on the side. I been winning on that bitch. Hell no. I actually should. I need 175. Don't worry, I'm like it, she might work. We're gonna see. Hope she wanna look at the lottery. Hope she wanna look at it. Oh yeah. We trying this, honey. We trying. Look at this. Look where I'm at. Yeah, nosy. Try my best. Oh yeah, we here. That's good. That's the day we coming. I'm gonna look at it. Hi. Hi. How you doing? How many can I get with this? How many can I get with this? How many can I get with this?
Give you what? Oh, $100? You can't spend all.
Huh?
You can't spend all.
Huh? Had the new 30. This one. Oh, it's not real?
No.
Oh, somebody gave it to me.
I don't know who gave you, my friend.
Oh, somebody gave it to me? So it's not real? Well, who gave it to me?
I don't know.
Okay.
You call me, Iko.
Oh, somebody gave it to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody gave it to me. Somebody got me slick. Somebody gave it to me? Who gave me this? Somebody gave me this shit? Who gave me this? Who gave me this shit? Somebody gave me this. Somebody gave me this. I'm gonna have $30 ticket to you. I'm gonna have $30 fucking ticket, honey. Ooh, I'm gonna have $30 ticket. I'm gonna have $30 ticket. I'm gonna have that bitch. No, I don't scam. I don't scam. I'm just playing around. I don't scam. I'm just playing around. Just playing around. I ain't been around. Actually, the
Real money hanging out.
it's not real money.
That is real money.
Where?
Right there.
That might be fake too.
Let me see.
Most of the picture only.
Yeah, that's fake. Where you get all this fake money from?
The man at the office at the doctor gave it to me.
Why, you did a study or something? Why you give it to you?
He said he was on one of the prank people, so he gave it to me. And he said,
Oh, you said you a prank person.
no, I guess he thought it was I don't know. He gave it to me. He said he was getting all the patients and shit.
What, here?
I mean,
Oh, he don't work there.
he worked there.
Oh, he worked there? Well, you need to go back and tell him that money not real. Because somebody, you can get locked up for that. Oh, that's a shame. Was that somebody just sitting in there?
Yeah.
Oh, he don't work there. He probably was just somebody sitting in there.
Oh, he worked at the desk. Black man, honey.
Well, you need a black man? Oh, Lord have mercy.
A worker.
Well, you need to go tell him that that's not real. That's crazy.
Can you buy me one?
What? Why you want what?
Yeah, cause I was trying to go to an event later today when a train to come take me home. I need $175 to go to my event today. Yeah, I want to go to my.
I ain't got no $175. You talking about?
You got something you can give me towards it? Cause I was trying to. I'm on Instagram now, trying to ask them for the money too on Instagram Live. I like going to events. I don't want to be. I be in the house all month. I'm bored in that hot ass house. I want to get out. But I do want to go to events. It's an event today I want to go to. Hey, you want to send in, please? I need $175. Big C, can you send in? I need $175. I'll take $2.50. I'll take $2. It's better than nothing, Prime, but I'll take what I can get. You gonna see $2.50? I'll take it. I don't care for any goddamn thing. I like anything. I need $2. I'll take anything it is. I like $2.50. I don't care if it's a goddamn dollar. I don't care if it's a fucking penny. I'll take that motherfucker. I need $175.